What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 the most hype free mint NFT projects that are actually building a video game. So they're not any kind of DGen projects, they're actual legit companies that are actually building stuff. And like I said, at the time of recording this video, they're the most hype free mint NFT projects. But before I show you the project, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the first project is called Light Towers. As you can see, free mint. This one is going to be actually on Polygon. It's not going to be on Ethereum. And then you can see it's powered by this individual, Event Games. And then they already have a Discord, and at the time of recording this video they have 138,000 followers. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, this is one of their teaser, like a little trailer about the video game. I'm not gonna play it, but you can actually play, watch, and see what is it about. And as you can see, looks like you can even play here as well. And they're getting crazy engagement on their Twitter posts. Like for example, this one right here was posted on March 14th, and it has 16,000 likes and 15,000 retweets. So I'm not gonna dive deep into this project, but as you can see, this one is very hyped. And then the second project, it's called Today. It says by X Nintendo, Sega, Epic Games, and Unity. Looks like an Oscar winning, looks like one of the builder or designer used to be ex-employee or something, but this is just me guessing. And then they have a website, and at the time of recording this video they have 155,000 followers. And then if we scroll down, as you can see right here, this is one of their teaser or trailer that you can watch and see. And this one was also posted not too long ago, and it's not for whitelist spot. This is just like their little video teaser, and it has 1,600 likes, 900 retweets, so it's getting pretty good engagement. And if we scroll down more, you can see right here who they actually collabing with, like this individual right here, Igor, and then Gabriel. If you're part of their community, most likely they'll have a whitelist spot for this specific project. So this is another one that not just a DGen free mint, but actually building a legit project. And then the last project, it's called Oceans of Terra. They have 97,000 followers, and then they have a premium link, so you can give it a try, apply, and hopefully you can get yourself a whitelist spot like that. And then if we scroll down, they have like a little teaser or trailer about their video game, and it has good engagement as well, 3,000 likes and almost 3,000 retweets. And if we scroll down more right here, different collab partners they're collabing with, Twitter Spaces, and much more. So this is another one that's actually building, and I think it has a huge potential. And all the projects that I talk about in this video, I'm gonna leave links in the description below. And thanks for watching.